Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make these fingerless gloves. They are fast and easy to make. You will find all the information, all the sizes and materials I use in the description box below. So let's get started. We start making the cuff of our glove, so we're going to make a ribbing. I'm going to make a slip knot, and I'm going to chain 10. In this way. This size is perfect for me. If you want it taller, you make more chains. If you want it shorter, you make a fewer chains. So we start working in the back of our chain where we have these bumps here. So from the second chain we're going to make single crochet. Single crochet in the next, and that's all you need to do for this row, all single crochet. I finished my single crochet row. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. From now on, from the second round and the round that follows, we're going to work in the back loop only. It's mean, see these V's here, we're going to work in this part in the back. So I insert my hook and I make single crochet, back loop only. And that's all you need to do for this second row. I'm at the end of the second row, and in my last single crochet I like to work regular single crochet, not in the back loop like we did in the previous stitches. So the last one I always make a regular single crochet. Then we chain 1 and we turn our work, and we continue with the single crochet in the back loop until we reach the size that we need. I finished my ribbing. That's how it looks like. I made total 26 rows. This size is perfect for my wrist. So now we can join the two sizes. It doesn't matter where you start because the two sizes, they are the same. So from where you have your loop in your hook, I'm going to go back into the same stitch, and I'm going to grab the two loops in the other side in this way, and then we're going to yarn over and slip stitch. Next stitch, next stitch in the other side, yarn over, we slip stitch. And we continue in this way through the end. I'm almost at the end. I just need my last slip stitch. Now we can turn our cuff right side out. That's how it looks like. And now we can start our first round. For the first round we are going to make double crochet in each stitch, chain 1. So we are going to have the same amount of stitches that we have in the cuff. So I made 26 rows for my cuff. I will have 26 stitches. We're going to put 1 double crochet in the middle, 1 on top, 1 in the middle, 1 on top, and in this way I will show you. So yarn over first in the very same here, double crochet, next the double crochet on top, next the double crochet in the middle, next the double crochet on top of our ribbing. And that's all you need to do for the first round. I'm at the end of the first round and I have 26 stitches. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the first double crochet in this way. Now we are going to switch crochet hook. We can start our second round with the crossed stitch. So we're going to chain 3 and we start to work in a double crochet from the first stitch in the back of our chain in this way. Yarn over first stitch here, we make a double crochet in this way. Yarn over, we skip 1 stitch, we go in the next and we make a double crochet. Yarn over, we go back into that stitch that we skipped before and we make a double crochet. Yarn over, skip 1, go into the next and make a double crochet. Yarn over again, go back into the skipped stitch and make a double crochet. And that's all you need to do for this second round. I'm at the end of the second round and that's how we're going to close our rounds from now on. We're going to slip stitch into the third chain of the 3 that we make when we started. We are going to chain 3 again, yarn over, and we start our third round. We start from the first stitch in the back of our chain and we make a double crochet. Yarn over, we skip 1 stitch, we go into the next and we make a double crochet. Yarn over and we go back into the skipped stitch and we make a double crochet. And that's all you need to do from now on. I'm going to make 2 more rounds and I'll be back with you. I'm at the end of round 4 and I'm going to slip stitch to join in this way. Now we can start our 5th round. We are going to make the space for the thumb. So we start with our 3 chains. We go in the back and work our double crochet and is 1 motif. We are going to make 1 more, yarn over, skip 1, the next we make a double crochet and we finish our cross. Now we are going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to skip 6 stitches. So this is the one where we worked. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the 6th stitch we're going to make a double crochet. In this way. Now we yarn over, we go back in the previous stitch and we make a double crochet. Now we can continue our pattern like we did before through the end of this 5th round. I finished round 5. Now we can start round 6. So we chain 3. We go in the back of our chain and we make our double crochet and we cross. Next motif, skip 1, go into the next, and another double crochet to cross. Now here we have the space that we make for the thumb. So I'm going to skip this stitch. I'm going into the first chain that we made and I'm going to make a double crochet. Yarn over, go back into the stitch that we skipped and we make a double crochet. Yarn over, skip 1 chain, go into the next chain and make a double crochet. Again, yarn over, go into the chain that we skipped and make a double crochet. Yarn over, skip the last chain, go into the stitch and make a double crochet. Yarn over again, go back into the chain that we skipped before and make a double crochet in this way. Now we can continue working our pattern like we did before. I will make 3 more rounds and I will meet you there. I'm at the end of round 8. I'm going to join and now we are going to start our last round, which is round 9 with a slip stitch. So we are going to slip stitch around in this way. I'm going to finish this round and I will meet you there. I'm at the end of round 9. Here is where we started. I'm not going to work in this first stitch. I'm going to cut the yarn. We're going to use a yarn needle. Not in this stitch, into the next. We insert the needle in this way. Then I'm going to go under this stitch and through. Like so. Now we can weave in the end inside. Here I'm going to split the yarn. I'm going to take one of the 2 sides, make it go through another stitch. I'm going to make a few knots. And we can cut the yarn in this way. And we're going to do the same with the other hand. Our fingerless gloves are ready. That's how they looks like. I hope you liked this video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time, and thank you for watching. Bye!